Ahem. Yeah, that was a fire truck. You can see the fire truck from here. Very nice, huh? There's still a Why? I think the balloon wants to play with you, Roy. Ahem. We didn't know that balloon is there, no? There's another balloon there. Oh, I think they know, Roy, that you will be here, Roy. Why are you afraid all of a sudden? Hmm? Balloon? Balloon? You can't touch that man because it's dirty. You don't know. Come here. Careful. Hello, good morning. Chandelier. Yes, it's a chandelier. Na? Walay hangin bito? Oh, that is a flower. Yes. Oh. Na, bibi ninyo is there. Maduog yun siya na bibi ninyo. Yes, come on. Shush. Ginuog ko. Oh, suod yun siya dira. No. Silang Kyle. Oh, bitaw, oh. Oh. Sus. Nadako na lang sila, Chief. Careful, Roy. You see the chandelier, Roy? Where's the chandelier? Yes, it's the chandelier. Yes. Oh, not there na. Maligo mo guni dayon siya. Dili dayon siya magpa-kuan ba? Oh, di magpapugong, maglisod ko. What's that? That is a table. And that is an umbrella. That is the tea, Roy. I'm gonna wipe your hands after. What color is that, Roy? This one is color blue. Blue umbrella. Yes. And this one is black. Black umbrella. And this one is red. Red umbrella. Yay! You have 3 umbrella, Roy. Oh, umbrella. That is a red umbrella. Count the umbrella. 1, 2, 3. That is 3 umbrellas. Yes. Yeah, there's a balloon. Yeah. Balloon is tempting you now, Roy. She's here. I thought the balloon is just there outside. Far. Who's that balloon? Huh? Yeah, we don't know who that balloon is. Yes, that is a red umbrella you're touching. Oh! Yes, balloon. You want to go near to the balloon? No.